How to add music to a video on Alight Motion. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add music to a video on Alight Motion. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, open up Alight Motion and then create a project. After that, add your video. Now to add music to this video, tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and here select the audio option. Then tap on view all. That's gonna take you to your audio library. From here you can select your songs. So you can simply head towards your songs and then select a song from your music library. If you want to listen to that music, tap on this play icon on your left hand side. If you want to add it, then tap on the plus icon. Now the audio has been added. You can drag this timeline, and if you want to clip the music, you can also do that. If not, you can leave it as it is. But it's better to match the length of your music with that of your video. And once you're done editing, you can export or save this video. So that's how you can add music to a video on Alight Motion, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.